All right, you guys, we are ready for another strengthening tutorial today. This one is for tilts. I'm Kayla, and I'm so excited to be here with you guys today to work on these tilt strengthening exercises, build up that strength in your legs to be able to get higher tilts. So this one is actually gonna go on the ground. So we're gonna go down on all fours. And from here, we're gonna start with our right leg, but please make sure that you're doing both legs, okay? You're gonna make sure that you have equal weight in your hands, and from here, we're gonna open up our right leg as high as we possibly can to the ceiling, making sure that our hips are nice and stacked in a straight line, and we're really getting that knee back as if we're doing a tilt, but on the floor, okay? We're gonna pulse this up and down about 10 times in a row, and then repeat it about 3 times. If you want an extra challenge, go ahead and go up and then try to extend your leg into a tilt and hold this for a good second. You could even work on some pulses, but that is essentially the feeling and the muscle engagement that we need to use for a tilt. So this exercise is great. Yes, it's on the floor, but it's really gonna help you once you get that tilt to come standing, okay? So once again, repeat at least 10 times for 3 sets. Good luck, you guys.